YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Small Pound back with another video playing Ed Top. Am I here? Hakuba. Hey, about to go snowboarding. We're on the ski lift right now. Everybody say what's up? Yeah! Hey, so it is hot. I know there is a lot of snow and everything. It's hot. I am hot. Atsui. But that's what it looks like. I know you probably can't see how these scratched up. It's probably from when it fell last time. So I'm gonna catch you at the top of the slope. I didn't know they had. I'm taking all of these ramps. Look at the ramp. Oh, he got some air. Yes. No, really. I don't play. Bet. And it's on camera. I should have brought the selfie stick. I just had Baja recorded.
I know.
You got on way too much clothes, bro. All right, so right now I'm at the top of the slope. Well, not the top. There's another one up there, but you know who's not going? Me. Yeah, that's for like advanced people. I'm not advanced. Check out this view though. That's pretty lit. About to get my feet wet right here. Go through a little refresher. It is really, really hot. Okay, there you go. From what? There you go, control it. Easy peasy. Go straight. Go straight. Straighten it out. When you're gonna stop and you're going, bring the other foot forward and put the pressure on your heel. So you should stop standing up. Turn it. All right, let's go. Come down. Get up. Okay, Jay. Look over here. Wait. Helicopter. All of the Bajas going down. Hey, put the weight on the back. Back. Heel. You're doing toe. Heel. Break. You said break. Break. Hit the brake. Y'all ain't see when Jay rode from the top of that over here. So I'll pull up.
Yeah, she was all like, hey guys.
Thank you very much for visiting Accidental Tutorial today. The following are the certified contacts. When the last license goes on.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Fada. guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Father, father.
When our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned. close to the edge of something so worthy. You have the world right at your feet, and almost is all we'll ever be.
You messed me up. I was going. You saw that corner?